With Bastille Day around the corner, I thought I'd show you a quick and easy cassoulet. So here we go. So diced celery, diced carrot and sliced onions in half moons. Then sliced garlic, sliced tomato. That's going to be your base. LP quality meat sausages, get them in the pan and get some colour. Take them out, then add the vegetables. You don't want any colour on these vegetables, so just sweat them down nicely. Once you're about halfway, add your tomatoes and give them a good season. Sweat them in the other halfway and that's your base done. You're going to add these to butter beans and effectively that is the base of your cassoulet. Next up, grab your city larder cooked pork belly and cut that into some nice big chunks. Add that and the LP quality meat sausages to the cassoulet and give it a stir. Now put it in a cast iron pan or a cassoulet dish. Top with chicken stock and finish off with a city larder duck leg. Now in the oven for 25 minutes and we're going to make a persillade. Chop thyme, chop parsley, into some panko breadcrumbs and a little bit of chopped garlic. Season with salt and pepper. Once the cassoulet is ready, sprinkle it over the top, give it another 15 minutes in the oven and then just sit down and enjoy with some friends and family.